So yeah, he does point it backwards. Justified shooting. I wanna hold your hand inside you. What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I'm live tonight. Tonight, I am going live to celebrate the 500 faithful subscribers that make me keep going every single day. That is at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Time, 7:30 p.m. Central, etc., etc. Tonight, be there, please, please, please. It would mean the world to me. I will ask, or I'm sorry, I will answer anything you ask me. That's a promise. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. Now I do these videos where I jump into a brand new body cam footage daily and try to give you a glimpse into how the cop brain is working. Today is no different. Today's video comes from police activity. It is titled Bridgeport Officer Opens Fire After Suspect Pulls Gun During Foot Chase. Alright, here we go. I've never seen this.
Bravo Papa 1658, negative 44 on the old Chevy Tahoe color black.
Is that Rick Ross?
Can you just step out? We just gotta pat you guys both down if somebody says something.
I guess I could go full screen.
Firearm down there.
Okay, well we got it. Well, now we're here, so if you got nothing, then it's quick, and then we'll let you go.
Is that Hennessy?
39 foot pursuit. Stop! I'm gonna tase you.
Nothing better than almost throwing up from. Is she the slowest person in the world?
Get us out for pursuit.
Cinco gas, no left. Touch, get him! Get the dog out!
She is very out of shape.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Alright, hopefully this is the body cam footage of the officer that's actually running, not walking / running. That was the slowest officer I've ever seen in my life.
I mean, it died just now. I'm over here.
Yeah, he's not even running that fast.
32 full pursuit. Eastbound on Boston Ave. No, you're gonna get tased. You're gonna get fucking tased.
Did he run out of his shoes?
32 taser deployed.
So not only did he run out of his shoes, but we still can't catch him? Looks like he's...
No. 32 shots fired.
Alright, let's slow this down. God, I just can't get over how slow she was. Holy smokes.
No.
So yeah, he does point it backwards. Justified shooting.
32 shots fired.
Anytime a weapon gets pointed at you as an officer, you are justified in using your own weapon to eliminate the threat. This was a justified shooting. Really no other way to go about saying that. The gun literally points at him.
No.
It doesn't matter that his back is to the officer. You can still pull the trigger of a firearm when your back is pointed toward whoever you're pointing your firearm at. That gun can still shoot and render that officer deceased if he were to pull that trigger, or in the very least severely injure him and allow the suspect to get away. Not sure why he ran. I think people just do really silly stuff when they get nervous. I give the cops a B. The only reason I'm not giving them an A is because that is the slowest female officer I have ever seen. And that just goes to show how important it is to be in peak physical condition, because your physical condition also goes into account when you go into dangerous situations. And if you're not at your best physically, you can use, I'm overweight and fat, therefore I was scared for my life and I shot him. You can use that as your defense, and that should not be a defense. I'm sorry to say. I feel like officers should regularly go through physical fitness tests yearly to keep their job, and they don't. And I worked with some real fatties, and it's very sad. You see them in these videos quite often, and it's just embarrassing. And I think officers should hold themselves accountable and try to be in better physical condition so that they feel better and they're not fatzos. And so they can keep up with suspects who really aren't that fast themselves and not even wearing shoes. Those are just my thoughts. I'm live tonight, 5:30 p.m. Pacific, 6:30 Mountain, 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern. I hope to see you all there. I would love to answer whatever questions you have. It's going to be a fun, relaxed hangout zone, and I'm really looking forward to it. And I just want to thank you again from the bottom of my heart for being here day after day and supporting me, because I wouldn't be doing these if I didn't have the support. If I was just talking blindly into a camera day after day with no comments or anything like that, it would eventually get really old. So I support your being here, and I thank you for your support, and that's why I'm doing the live tonight, 6:30 p.m. Mountain Time. I hope you guys are there. Please show up. You go in the live tab on the channel, you can click notify me and be notified right before I go live. I'm gonna go live maybe 5-10 minutes before the 30-minute mark, and I'll begin right at the 30-minute mark. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you tonight for the live Q&A/hangout. All right, bye.